All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. $138.13 worth of goods. All said and done, I had an overage, a money maker of $18.05. And yes, that total includes tax. So I'm giving you an accurate breakdown. Got to keep it real accurate. So here it is. Says for the week of November 18th to November 24th, or November 17th to November 23rd or 24th. I don't know if it's going all the way to that day before Thanksgiving. And I'm going to be doing this every week. So, please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals the rest of the week. Some of these deals I know do go away quick. And some of these deals will be around. So hopefully you can do these deals. And some of these deals I did last week, and I did it again. So we get right in. 18 best deals of the week, at least I thought, at Publix. And there were some more, but these are the ones I did. So let's get right into it. And rice and Roni, we'll start with that. So this was last weekend. It popped back up in Ibotta. Regularly, they're $2.29 each, so you pay $4.58 for both of them. They're on sale 2 for $3, so you're only paying $3. There is a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. There's 40 cents back from Ibotta. And then you submit them to Stocking Spree, and if you spend $50 or acquire 50 points, you get a $10 gift card. So basically, you're submitting about $3 to that Stocking Spree, so I figure that's about 60 cents. So I had a 40-cent overage on those. Yes, I'm including that. So also Rockstar did this last week as well. It's Publix digital coupon, and I have another account, so I did it again, and it's $2.50, and they're BOGO this week. So regular price would either be $2.50 each. With tax for both of them would be $5.38. They're BOGO, so it's $2.69 for both of them. The Publix digital coupon takes off $2.50. And then, once again, submit these to Stocking Spree, and you're going to get $2.50 towards your $50 threshold. So that's about 50 cents as I see it. And so that makes it a 31-cent overage moneymaker. Chapstick did that again, and this deal is good till Friday, so get on that pretty quick. There's $1 digital coupon, and there's $1 store coupon, as you can see. Cost $1.79. They're by the register, so $1.92 with tax. Get the $1 off and $1 off. That's $2 off total of the $1.92. That's an 8-cent overage moneymaker. And Excedrin, I did these again. So I broke this up. I did do 2 transactions. You could do all this in one transaction. You just only have to get 2 of those Excedrin instead of 3 like I got. But you could do this all. I broke it up because I was slamming some happy gift cards to get $10 more off my total. I'll get into that later. But anyway, so let's just calculate the 2 of these. Well, I'm going to calculate all 3 of them. So they're $4.99 each, so you pay $14.97. The digital coupon takes off $2 and $2. There's another digital coupon that takes off $1.50. And then you have the store coupon that takes off $2. I don't have it pictured here, but so you use 3 of those, or I use 3 of those. And now there's a new thing. Coupons.com app gives you $1.50 back. So if you bought 2 of them, you'd actually have a moneymaker. But I bought 3 of them. I was getting over a $50 threshold for my happy gift cards. So check out that $1.50 coupons.com rebate. So it was basically a regularly priced $14.97 for all 3 of these. I paid $1.97 for all 3. Hungry Jack, yes, it's still good. It's always a limit of 1, so breaking it up a bunch of times. It's $1 till Friday, and $1 coupon for the Smart Source, November 7th. Muscle Milk, another one. Publix digital coupon, $3.49. Publix digital coupons take off $3.49, making it 0. Kill Cliff, I did this last week as well. So the Kill Cliff, they're ready $2.99. So for 2 of them with tax, it costs $6.43. I bought 2 of them. They're down to $2.49. They're on sale for $2.49 with tax, cost of $5.36, and you get $2 back from Ibotta. So you can see I already killed Cliff there. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I slammed it on the way home, and yeah, I killed him. Anyways, $1.36 for those. Chobani probiotic, once again, came back in checkout 51. It's still on sale. It's regular $3.79. It's on sale for $2.50. $1.50 digital coupon or $1.50 from the 1030 Smart Source. And as I said, checkout 51 has $1.50 off, so making that a 50-cent overage. Airwick also did these, and they came back in a bottle. Gotta love that. They're $1.59 each. Add the tax for 5 of them, come to $8.55. You get back $1.75 from a bottle, so you're getting back $8.75 from a bottle, making them 20-cent overage moneymaker. And once again, they helped me get $10 off of these gift cards I did in 2 transactions. All right, let's get to some new stuff here. Some stuff that other coupon pages or other coupon pages, websites, YouTube channels don't have these deals, so I'm going to tell you them. All right, so the Barilla, this is $2.49 each. 2 boxes are $4.98. There's a Publix digital coupon, $2.75 off of 2. Also, coupons.com app has $2.75 off of 2. So you buy 2 for $4.98. You get back $2.75 and $2.75. So you get back $5.50. It makes it a 52-cent overage moneymaker on that. All right, Gliston. These guys are garbage disposal cleaners. They're regularly $2.99. So for 4 of them, add tax to that, it comes to $12.98. But they're BOGO this week. So for 4 of them, come to $6.43. There is a PDF printable for $3 off of 2. So I used 2 of those, and these $6.43, using 2 of those, $3 off, made them 43 cents. Now, they were a little skeptical on this coupon. And, it says photocopy, this and that, whatever. I wanted to get more, but they only accepted 1 or 2 of them. So, be aware that it doesn't scan. I had to pull up the website where I printed it off, and I'm going to give you the link to that website below, as well as a detailed breakdown of everything I got, because I know I'm talking fast, but you'll have a detailed breakdown to print all the coupons, and you can check my math on my overage moneymaker. So keep going. Cutex nail polish remover. I got 8 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're regularly $1.49. So for 8 of them plus tax comes to $12.81. They're on sale for 99 cents each. So 8 of them plus tax comes to $8.51. And there is this $1 off coupon. So you use 8 of them, came to 51 cents. That's from these winter savings book right here. And these are difficult to find, I'll be honest. A lot of the stores I went to were out of them, but I got 8 of them, so there we go. Velveeta shells. There we go. A lot of people know about this deal, but I'll tell you about it. $3.83 BOGO. $3.83 each, so they come to $7.66. They're BOGO. They come to $3.63. $1.50 off of 2. And there's also a $3 off of 3 if you want to go that route, if you want to buy more. But I bought 2 of them. $1.50 off Magic. That's from the Smart Source 1030. And then there is 25 cents a bada, and that was like really running out. I just got it in there, so that gave me 50 more cents off. So that probably won't be available. $1 off of 2, checkout 51. So that's another $1 off. And you submit, you get $3.83 towards stocking spree. So that's roughly about 65 cents more off. So that made that only costing 18 cents for both of those boxes. Keep it going. Here's another one that people overlooked this week, but I'm glad you're with me. So you can get this U by Kotex deal. It's $3.79, and it's regular price. And Publix Digital, actually, some of them are like $2.88 depending on where you live, but mine are $3.79. Still did pretty good because Publix Digital coupon has $1 off. I think a couple more days on that. $1 off of that for the Publix Digital coupon. $1 back from Bada. Some have 50 cents. I had $1. And $1 back from the coupons.com app. So you're getting back, you pay $3.79, you get back $1 digital coupon, $1 Abada, $coupons.com. Comes down to only 79 cents. Another deal people overlooked, but I'm glad you're with me. You can get this deal too. The Truvia Sweet Complete, the regular $7.99. It's on sale for $5.99 for another day or two. $1.50 off Publix digital coupon. $1.50 off from Ibotta, and $1.50 off from the coupons.com app. I know, sounds familiar. That one is pretty much exactly the same. So you're only paying $1.49 for that, from $7.99 to $1.49. Pretty good deal. All right, Energizer Max batteries, the 4-packs. So this is pretty good. You had to do a lot of work on this, but man, these are $5.79 each. So for 4 of them with tax, gotta add the tax, $24.90 when you include the tax. You go to Swagbucks and you get 500 points for these, for each 2. So I got 1,000 points. That's equivalent to $10. And then there's also a holiday rebate from Energizer. If you spend 15, as you can see, I did that. You get $5 more back on PayPal. I got the link to that below, so you can check that out. And then there's a $1.50 manufacturer coupon from the Smart Source 1114. So I used 4 of those. That took $6 more off. There is a $1 off from this winter savings, so I used 4 of those. That took $4 more off. And Checkout 51 had 50 cents off of that. So the breakdown of that, $5.79 each times 4 came to $24.90. When you add the tax, you got back $10 from Swagbucks. You get back $5 from the holiday rebate from Energizer. You get back $6 in the manufacturer coupons from 1114, and you get back $4 from the store coupon, winter savings store coupon, and the 50-cent Checkout 51 rebate, making that 60-cent moneymaker on those expensive batteries. And yes, this was $25, so that pretty much almost half of one of those helped me really build up to that real quick. Ragu sauce, another one. Where are these guys? All right, there they are. So 14-ounce jars are $1.99. So that comes to $3.98. Swagbucks gives you 400 points, and that went through right away. That's $4 from the save 1114, with 50 cents off of each. That's another $1 off. And Checkout 51 had 67 cents back on both jars. So spended $3.98, $4 back from Swagbucks, $1 back from the manufacturer coupons, and $1.34 back from Checkout 51 made that $2.36 moneymaker overage. That was a good one. And of course, everybody knows this deal, the Colgate. These are $3.99 with tax. I just say I used one already. $3.99 with tax. For both of them come to $8.58, but they're BOGO this week, so they come to $4.39. And from the Smart Source 1114, there's, what is that guy? $2 off of each one, making that only 29 cents when the tax is included. And of course, I was working my way up to get these gift cards. I had to spend $50 in groceries, and as you can see, I went way over that. So I broke it up into 2 transactions, and I was able to utilize that digital coupon twice in the 2 different accounts that I used. And hey, I'll be honest, Christmas is coming, so these will be some good Christmas gifts. You got to give $50 on those, and $50, you got to get the gift card for $50, and you got to spend over $50. And as you can see, I spent well over $50 in both transactions. I did, so that saved me another $20. So once again, every week getting paid to shop. This week was no different. $138.13 worth of goods, and it had an $18.05 overage. Moneymaker breakdowns below. Once again, please subscribe to the funny looking guy right there. More times I got paid to shop right there.